ECCW fans, ECCW office, ECCW locker room. It's true, no longer your ECCW women's champion. July 12th in Kawasaki against Syuri was the hardest match of my career thus far. And I came up short. But what did I do? I got back in the ring, back at the dojo, and I'm training harder than ever to get my ECCW women's title back. So the plan now is to come back to Canada very soon. You ever try to deal with an animal when it's pissed off? ECCW fans, ECCW office, ECCW locker room. Buckle up, because this is a cat fight nobody's ready for.